yeah guys, I didn't eat the whole day. Always do this for a news event. Just don't eat. Sometimes I'm anxious before the news event, so yeah, I don't eat much. But anyway, some people are saying US30 buy, some people are saying sell. What's your take, guys? There's 780 people that are joining on this live. But what is your take? Tell me what's your take, what you're thinking. I'll tell you what's my take in a bit. If you've got any questions about CPI, please drop it on this live. I will do my best as well to answer. I see some of the Forex guys also joining on. Guys, remember if you are trading, make sure you are trading with Forex as well. I see Enrico here as well. Welcome everybody. We are trading CPI US30. So this is the mic that I had on, and for some reason there wasn't any sound, so that is why I had to end the first live. Good luck everybody as well on the CPI. This is why I had to end the first live, and then I had to jump onto this one again. But yeah guys, as we are waiting, time is obviously 30 minutes more for us to join onto this CPI run. And yeah, we are looking at some good movement today. That is a good possibility of happening, although I do see on US30 a few challenges for the trade. Current price on US30, if you are looking at trading view, the US30 currently price is sitting at 38968.3, so that's where we're sitting at the moment. I know a lot of people have been trading gold, okay, and I've been trading gold as well, and gold has been having such a great bull run. Okay, gold has been having an amazing bull run over the past few days and weeks, and I know a lot of people tried selling gold and got burnt. So what we have to do is we have to also look at gold, because gold has and is a good measuring tool to see what the market is doing. I also look at gold quite a lot, because gold is one of the, or is the safest commodity that you can actually put money into. So yeah, I would say this, gold is always a good indicator. Gold is always a good indicator of what is happening in the market. So guys, gold is always a measuring tool. It is a safe haven as well. And everybody is saying gold buy. I am not trading gold today, but I myself, if I was trading gold would be a good push to the upside that I'm looking at for the CPI. This is not a signal. This is my personal opinion. If I was trading gold, I would be looking for buys on gold. Reason being is everybody says gold is going to crash. I don't see that anytime soon. My PC is not working. What if you say it's a buy, but then it's a sell? Delete Insta Chief. Well, that's my opinion of the trade. And if you are taking the same direction, and if you believe in the direction, then take it. But if you believe in a different direction and your analysis tells you otherwise, then take your direction. So guys, I'm just giving you my opinion on a trade. So I'm just giving you my opinion, and if you need to obviously always analyze for yourself. But let's look at what's going to happen in the market. Just 1 second. What's everybody thinking? Put down your biased for the trade. Put down your bias. What are you thinking? What are you thinking for gold? Somebody is saying 3,000 K season on gold. Interesting. US 30. Everybody wants to know what's happening on US 30. Some people are saying when this guy drinks water and gives you a signal, take the opposite side. That's a good one. But anyway, guys, I'm just giving you my idea on the trade, my opinion. You must always go and trade what you feel is best. For CPI leak, we rip today. You tell us. Let's buy is here. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Yo, guys, we still got a lot of time to go. I will be giving you my bias on the trade. I will pin it. We are 25 minutes. Yes, somebody put it down there. So US 30 has some nice upward momentum now. He just broke a trend line, or it is showing break of a trend line on the 1 hour and the 15 minute as well. RocketX will process any amount of withdrawals. I'm bullish on US 500. Good one. Going to spike up, then drop. Okay. Buy US 30. Somebody saying up on start and rejection will come. Okay, so a lot of people are saying this. A lot of people are saying that we are going to go up and then we are going to crash after. A lot of people are saying that. Good, interesting. If you look at US 30 now, got my chart here open. I wish I could share it with you, but it's a bit challenging. I am on the 1 hour time frame now. I can see a break on a trend line that has been holding for quite some time, since about 4 or 5 days ago, since forming, and that trend line is breaking now. I am obviously looking at that and taking that into my bias when I'm looking for my trade direction. But guys, what you guys thinking? Charts look like spider web. Well, this isn't even my proper US 30 chart. I've got another one as well. Let me just see if I can get it for you. Is that the one? Let's see. Just 1 second. Let's see if I can get it for you. What you guys thinking? What you guys thinking on the trade? Tell me your bias, guys. Oh, guys, check. I just want to show you this one. Imagine that. That's another chart. That's another chart. But let me use the other one. It's always nerve-wracking, guys. Imagine coming on a live and 600 people here and talking about direction. Yeah, it's challenging, but we're doing it. I'm shaking. Buying indices, somebody is saying. Market manipulation at the release. Psychological zones. Let's see. So guys, what you thinking? Say demo money. Stop shaking and sell. All indices are going to sell. Somebody saying that, sell, fund me. All the stories. CPR, let's see what happens. What you guys thinking? Some people are saying buy, some people are saying sell. What's everybody thinking? Somebody tell me what you're thinking. CPI. My last CPI, let me just check. Last CPI was nice. Blues. Let me just show you my last CPI. 1 second. Go up to my let me just go up to my history. Why is this doing this? 1 second guys, sorry. That was my last CPI trade there that I gave. You can see there. Nice. That was the last CPI on the 12th of March 2024. One hour time frame. Somebody tell me what you think about CPI. Somebody tell me what you think about your signals. Don't blow. Spike, buy US30, Euro USD, buy weak to sell hard. CNA buy. So the bias is mixed. Yeah, that's for me, brother. Thank you. The bias is mixed. Happy Eid, Josh. Happy Eid to you as well, and everybody who is celebrating this momentous day. Happy Eid to you as well. I'm actually going to be in Dubai real soon as well. So yeah. I'm actually going to Dubai to meet some of my friends who are also going to be celebrating. So yeah. Lespa says strengthening USD. A lot of people are saying sell gold. What do you think, guys? I'll tell you my bias just now, guys. Tell you my bias just now. Market is already going up. So let me tell you my bias. This is my bias on this trade. I am trading US30. If you are on now, then I will tell you my bias. I am trading US30, and my bias for this trade will be a buy on US30. So I will be taking myself a buy on US30, and what you call this, let's see the outcome, guys. On the flip side, either take a W or take an L. It is news, high impact news. And before I end the live, remember, I am and I will be taking a buy on the US30. That is my bias. First thing. Second thing, if you are in Dubai and you want to do business in Dubai, you live in Dubai and you want to do business in Dubai, please hit me up with a DM. We can meet up over some coffee or lunch. Take it easy, guys. Have a great one. Good luck, everybody. I will see you on the flip side. And remember, I am buying myself, J Money, I'm buying US30. Thank you.